Confucius has told the way to keep the mind calm. One day a person approached Confucius. He said that I do everything very carefully. My health also remains fine. I get success and also have comforts and facilities, but my mind remains very disturbed. Please tell me some way by which I can get peace. Confucius listened to the man very carefully and said, "Tell me one thing, how do you see, hear, and taste?" The person said that I see with the eyes, hear with the ears, and taste with the tongue. Confucius explained to him that you see more with your mind than you see with your eyes, your mind hears more than your ears, you think that your tongue is tasting, but the real taste is being tasted by your mind. As long as you feel like doing these three things, you cannot find peace. If you want peace, then first control your mind. See only with your eyes, let only your tongue taste, let only your ears hear. Keep your mind away from these things. Then you can find peace. Confucius teachings. The mind is very fickle, it keeps running here and there. New desires keep awakening in the mind. Once one wish is fulfilled, many more wishes arise. For this reason, we are not able to enjoy life and remain busy in fulfilling our desires. When we control the mind, then there is peace in our life. Confucius.